My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Lexus GS. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 33,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access our main features, which include navigation and radio, media and telephone, vehicle settings and information, and our climate control and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control and heated seats on either side. We can switch between eco mode and sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black and cream contrast interior, and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.